Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Check whether your headset is USB-A, USB-C, or requires a 3.5mm adapter so you know which port and dongle to use. Once done, make sure your Xbox Series X has the latest system update. This avoids compatibility quirks. Sign into your profile and power the console. Don't waste time toggling voices or party chat yet. Now plug the headset into the controller or console port. Use the controller's 3.5mm jack for analog adapters, or a USB port for native USB headsets. Next, configure audio routing so sound goes where you expect. Go to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output, and pick the correct headset format: stereo uncompressed for most USB headsets, or Windows Sonic/DTS if supported. Once selected, adjust the headset chat mixer to balance game versus chat audio and enable mic monitoring if you need playback of your own voice. Now test in the guide. Open parties and chats and speak. Check that others hear you and that game audio levels are comfortable. Finalize the setup by confirming both game and chat audio behave in actual play. If the mic isn't detected, unplug and replug the headset, perform a rescan by restarting the console, and check controller firmware updates. Make sure to try another USB port or a different cable to rule out hardware faults. If you encounter latency or low volume, toggle in-game audio settings and update the headset's firmware via PC or manufacturer app. That usually resolves timing and EQ problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.